This is going to be a video tutorial on how to update all of your apps at once using the terminal in MX Linux. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my desktop now. To update all of your apps at once using the terminal, first thing you want to do is open the terminal, of course. As you can see, I have my terminal opened up. Next thing you want to do is run a couple of commands. The first command is sudo apt update. Hit enter. It asks you for your password. Type in your password and hit enter again. Now it is going through all your packages, seeing if there's any updates available. It tells me here I have 3 packages that can be upgraded, so the next command you want to run is sudo apt upgrade. Hit enter. Now it asks me, do I want to continue? I'm going to type Y and hit enter. Now it is updating those packages that I have available to update. Depending on how fast your computer is and how many updates you need to do, mine's already done, but yours could take a few minutes. It could take 10 or 15 minutes. Just depends on the speed of your computer and how many updates you need to do. That is how to update all of your apps at once using the terminal in MX Linux. Thanks for watching.